Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, smokes and mirrors, boju boju, gbabe magbabe, abracadabra. These are some of the things that Reno Omokri is asking you to look out for in the Buhari Independence Day speech. So with that guys, I bring you this. 20 lies from President Buhari's Independence Day speech. And this is attributed to Reno Omokri. So 20 lies from President Buhari's Independence Day speech. And it is Reno Omokri who is speaking after these lies. So now let's get into what Reno has to say. Former presidential aide Reno Omokri has released 20 lies from President Muhammadu Buhari's Independence Day speech. So now let's get into it. Predictably, General Buhari gave an Independence Day broadcast full of lies. Below, I shall expose the many lies he told this morning, and I challenge General Buhari to sue me. General Buhari said, in the last 4 years, we have combated the terrorist scourge of Boko Haram. Lie. Boko Haram controls 8 Borno local government area. Read the truth here. Buhari lied. General Buhari said the capacity of our forces is enhanced by the acquisition of military hardware. Lie. Our armed forces use guns purchased by Shagari. General Buhari said we uphold the constitutional right of our people to freedom of expression. This is such an obvious lie. Buhari locked up his critics and refused to obey court orders to free them. General Buhari said, I reiterate my call for all to exercise restraint. This is the joke of the century, from a man who threatened to soak the dog and baboon in blood. Practice what you preach. General Buhari said this administration inherited a skewed economy. Lie. Buhari inherited an economy rated by CNN Money and World Bank as the world's third fastest growing economy. He ruined it in 1 year. General Buhari said previous governments abandoned the residual investment-driven non-oil sector. Lie. President Obasanjo paid off our entire debt when oil was a quarter of what it sells for today. General Buhari said exchange rate in the last 3 years has remained stable. Lie. Google it. The Naira was rated the 4th worst performing currency 3 years ago and one of the most depreciated 2 years ago. General Buhari said we have a robust reserve of $42.5 billion. Lie. What he failed to tell you is that he has more than doubled our debt. When you minus the reserve from our debts, we have no reserves. General Buhari said, learning from the mistakes of the past, this administration is responsibly managing our oil wealth. Lie. Nigeria now pays more fuel subsidy than 2015. Nigerians pay more for fuel. General Buhari said, we launched the Presidential Power Initiative to modernize the national grid. Lie. Buhari modernized nothing. The last 3 power plants Nigeria built were built by Goodluck Jonathan. And Goodluck Jonathan did do a lot in the power sector, I have to say, because there was improvement, at least towards the later end of his administration. All Nigerians report that, and all that improvement has now regressed in the last 4 years of Buhari. So that one we know for a lie. General Buhari said our efforts to improve the power sector will complement other infrastructure investment. Lie. Improve kidney. Do you have power? Nigeria now generates less power than 2015, which is exactly what I just said. General Buhari took credit for the second Niger Bridge. Lie. The second Niger Bridge is a PPP project that was fully paid for by the Goodluck Jonathan administration from the Sovereign Wealth Fund. General Buhari said, we have made remarkable progress in almost all segments of the agricultural value chain. Lie. Yet, Nigeria became the world headquarters for extreme poverty under him. Why such lies? General Buhari said, we are committed to economic stability and diversification. Lie. Yet, in a leaked memo, his chief of staff admitted that they collected less non-oil revenue than under Goodluck Jonathan. Lie. General Buhari said we provide adequate resources to meet the basic needs of our teeming youth. Lie. Whilst Goodluck Jonathan built 165 Almajiri schools and 14 new federal universities, Buhari had built none. General Buhari said he has deterred rampant theft and mismanagement of public funds that plagued public service. Lie. Yet, according to Transparency International, Nigeria is more corrupt today than in 2015. General Buhari said this administration has fought against corruption. Lie. Look at the ministers Buhari appointed. Look at those surrounding him. General Buhari said an example is the $300 million recently identified as part of the Abacha money laundering case. Yet, Buhari said Abacha did not steal. Which is it, sir? Did he or did he not? Finally, General Buhari said, I call upon Nigerians to combat corruption. Is Buhari combating corruption? Who owns Ikoyi billions? When will Aisha Buhari's ADC be tried? Who reinstated Maina? So now this is now Reno Omokri going through the Buhari speech point by point and pointing out the lies in it. And a lot of the things that Reno has identified as lies are really patently lies, because you cannot say that you have grown the agricultural food chain and yet there's a real poverty and people are not able to eat within the country. You cannot say that the Naira has stabilized the way it fluctuates almost on a daily basis, that it doesn't hold consistent from one day to the other against any major currency. You cannot call that stability. You cannot claim that you have done anything in the non-oil sector when we have not seen any tangible output in the last 4 years. You have been 4 years in the running now, and 4 years is sufficient enough of a time for us to see a result. That is why they made that the tenure of an administration. So 4 years is enough of a span of time for you to start and finish something, so you can then say that I started and finished this, and this then is an achievement that you can attribute to me because I brought your attention to it when I started it, and this is me now finishing it and I'm bringing your attention to it now. So none of that happened in the 4 years that we've had Buhari, and all of these things that is claiming were of course paid for by Goodluck Jonathan. The railway system in Abuja was built by Goodluck Jonathan. The one from Abuja to Kaduna was built by Goodluck Jonathan. All of the counterpart funds for a lot of the big projects that is going on in Nigeria at the moment were actually paid for by the Goodluck Jonathan administration. That is why I have always consistently said that Goodluck administration, that Goodluck administration, in spite of all of the corruption and never mind and despite all of the chants of corruption, is the best administration in terms of visibly marked achievements that you can point to and say this was done. It's the one administration apart from Obasanjo also, but then Obasanjo had a very long time to do a lot of things because Obasanjo has served that country now for ruled that country for nearly 10 years, both military and civilian. So but that Goodluck Jonathan, there are things that you can put your hands on and say this guy did this. The railway system, he did that. There's no disputing that. The Niger Bridge, second Niger Bridge, he paid the funding for that. Even the minister in charge had said that at some point. So there's nothing in this administration that you can point to say that this is an achievement, and that is a concern, because you cannot have a 4-year tenure and not be able to show anything. Is effectively what Reno Omokri is saying in this particular rundown that he gave us of a point-by-point breakdown of Buhari's speech, pointing out the lies that he has identified in it. Conversations in the comment section. Have you identified any untruth in the President's Independence Day speech? Before you come join me to have that conversation though, click on the red subscribe button so it turns grey. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of Reno's article and the President's speech in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, join you in comments, but here I say peace.